Get the flaky layers. As you can see, we're only gonna need 6 of these. Now, I've made this recipe before, but we're gonna level it up. This thing went viral for me, so of course we're gonna have to revisit it. All right, before I put these in there, spray down these cupcake things really well, or the muffin tin. This is a jumbo muffin tin. I'll put a link in the comments if you guys need to get one. These are the Grand's biscuits. So this is going to puff up. You need as much room as possible in there. We split the biscuits in half. All right, I'm gonna tear these apart. That's why we want these flaky layered ones. Makes it a little easier on us. Okay. How we're leveling it up this time. We got my fancy plate of meats here. Ham, the sausage that we used the first go around, and some already cooked bacon. Sausage is not frozen. It's just straight from the refrigerator. Bacon's cooked, and we're just gonna start adding the goodness. All right. Now you could add one or all 3. It's up to you. I'm gonna make these bad boys meaty as can be, because I love me a meaty breakfast sandwich. Get in there with your sausage patties. Again, these are cooked. There's a little bit of grease on them. That's why they look a little frozen. But these are just out of the refrigerator. All right, now going with a little bit of bacon. Just chopped up, already cooked. On the first one I did of this video, or of this recipe, the first video I did of this recipe, I had like 7 million views. And I gotta be honest with you, I wasn't even gonna release the video. But like any good creator does, you double down on it and try to make it better. So y'all like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share this out. The other thing is I left eggs whole on the last one, but I'm gonna do a few scrambled up, okay? And then I'm gonna leave a couple whole, because I like the yolk in it, but I wanted to give you all a choice. We'll do one side with the scramble. And one side with the yolks. All right, we're going in with the little Ninja Q all day, everyday seasoning. Has a little salt, pepper, garlic butter, good flavor. I used the sriracha garlic last time, and people had a little issue with it. I don't know why, but but I think a few of y'all ordered some. So I will put a link in the comments for Ninja Q, okay? But guys, I said it before, and I'll say it again. Using barbecue rubs on your everyday cooking just takes the guesswork out of stuff. And it's not like you need to go back and forth in your pantry looking for, 14 different spices. You could just add one rub to it, right? And we're going in with the plastic cheese, please. Guys, if you don't like American cheese, don't use it. But in breakfast sandwiches and casseroles and all that stuff, it's so creamy, it's so nice, it runs through it real good. So you do you, boo-boo, but I'm gonna keep using American cheese because it's good, baby. All right, these are maxed out, y'all. And that's okay. So let's put our tops on. And if you guys want to brush a little butter over the top, you can. I didn't really feel like I needed it. These are already buttery biscuits, so. All right, team, we're gonna get these in the oven, 350, 15, 20 minutes, okay? Now these are gonna puff up. Guys, don't stress out. They're gonna be money. Just trust me on that. You're gonna love them. There's a reason why they went viral, baby. All right, and we just leveled them up. I'll see you in a second. Let's go ahead and pull one of these out. I did have to use a little butter knife to get around. Even spraying it down, it's still, still sticks a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna cut one of these up so y'all can see the inside. Look at that meaty goodness. Got the egg, got the cheese, cooked all the way through. We're good to go, y'all. Let's get a bite. Listen, you can throw these in the fridge, keep them like stored in an airtight container or something like that. But I know a lot of people have made them frozen and brought them back to life in the microwave too. So I have not, because they don't last long enough for me to freeze them and then bring them out again. But the level up on this with all that good meaty goodness in there, good meaty goodness. Let's get a bite. Oh yeah, man. Guys, man, it's good. Having all that extra meat in there, God, that's the trick right there, y'all. All right, I'm gonna finish this and turn out to eat the others. Listen, make this, because baby, you know it's good.